Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have what you need: the expected file name, approximate date, and the main parent folder. Start by opening Excel and scanning the recent list. Make sure to expand recent folders. Once done, click File, open Browse to the parent folder in Explorer. Enable View Hidden Items and File Name extensions so you see hidden worksheets saved as separate files. If the workbook was auto-saved, check OneDrive/SharePoint Recent and Version History. This locates copies you can restore. Now perform a targeted search in File Explorer. Type name, followed by part of the file name and add kind workbook. Next, expand to asterisk. XLS asterisk and set modified to the date you last worked. Make sure to include hidden and system files in search options. While that runs, open %temp% and look for files starting with tilde or $. These often contain unsaved worksheets. Also check Excel's Auto Recover directory and any Excel Start or Backup folders. Copy any matches to a safe folder before opening. When you find a candidate file, do not double-click. Instead, open Excel, choose Open Browse, select the file, and use the Repair option to recover corrupted sheets. Once recovered, save as to a new name and enable Auto-Save. If stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, use Version History to retrieve an earlier revision. If searches return nothing, run System Restore or retrieve backups right away. Make sure to stop working in the original folder to avoid overriding temp recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.